How to create an alias or park a domain in cPanel.
Before parking a domain, you need to update the name server of your domain you want to park to your main domain name server. Parked domains or domain aliases make your website available from another domain name. Now let's learn how to park a domain.
Scroll down to the Domains section and click Aliases.
Now enter the name of the domain you want to park in the input box and click the Add Domain button. That's it. We have successfully created the alias or parked the domain. Now click the Go Back button and see the created alias. Here it is. Thank you for watching.